fall doesn't have to be all about burnt oranges and deep browns. For those who adore a softer, more romantic aesthetic, pink fall decor offers a refreshing and charming twist. Think cozy textures, gentle florals, and warm blush tones that still celebrate the changing season, but with a playful, feminine edge. Whether you're aiming to transform your front porch, your bedroom sanctuary, your family gathering space, or the heart of your home, the kitchen, this palette of pale rose, mauve, dusty pink, and even gold can make your fall feel fresh, modern, and uniquely yours. Let's explore how pink can beautifully reshape our seasonal spaces. Imagine stepping onto your porch and being welcomed not by traditional pumpkins, but by soft pink ones in varying sizes, mixed with pale gourds and blush-toned mums. The front porch is the perfect canvas to introduce your unique take on fall. You might drape a vintage blush-toned blanket over a wooden bench, add velvet pink throw pillows, or place copper lanterns with soft pink candles beside your doorway. For an even bolder statement, try a pastel fall wreath with faux pink leaves, cream-colored feathers, and metallic accents. Subtle fairy lights or rose gold lanterns help transition the look from day to night, creating a magical evening glow. Even a pink gingham welcome mat can add that final playful layer to your outdoor entryway. When designed with intention, your porch becomes a charming declaration that fall can be both cozy and chic with a rosy twist. Love this soft and stylish twist on traditional autumn? Like and share this video with anyone who adores pink and cozy vibes. Your bedroom should be a place of calm and warmth, and pink fall decor effortlessly infuses softness into that atmosphere. Picture warm rose-colored flannel sheets, dusty pink quilts, and knit throws layered on a neutral or white base. Blush-toned faux fur cushions can add a rich texture, while pale mauve curtains frame your windows with gentle warmth. On nightstands, try dried floral arrangements in faded pinks and neutral tones, pampas grass, preserved roses, or even soft eucalyptus. Candles in rose gold holders or soft amber glass can add to the moodiness of fall while still staying within the pink palette. If you're feeling bold, consider adding wallpaper with a subtle autumn floral in muted pinks or even switching out artwork for prints featuring blushing trees, fall blooms, or abstract autumnal shades. In this space, pink isn't just pretty, it's soothing, seasonal, and totally serene. Would you decorate with pink this fall? Or stick to classic warm tones? Tell us your style in the comments below. Fall is when we gather, unwind, and truly nest, when the living room transforms from a simple space to the heart of the home. And for those embracing a pink fall theme, this transition can be both soothing and stylish. A pink fall-inspired living room doesn't have to be bold or overdone, it thrives in soft, layered subtleties. The palette leans into gentle blush, dusty rose, mauve, and even peachy nudes, which blend effortlessly with existing neutrals, warm whites, creamy ivories, or earthy taupes already in your decor. Start with textiles, the easiest way to bring seasonal softness into your living space. Plush pink velvet or boucle throw pillows can immediately add depth to your sofa, especially when layered with neutral or oatmeal-toned cushions. Mix in knit or wool throws with a chunky weave, draped casually over a couch arm or across a chaise, inviting everyone to snuggle in. If your space includes an accent chair, consider adding a rose-toned slipcover or a blush cushion to tie the look together. Now, shift your focus to grounding elements like the rug. A soft area rug in pale tones, perhaps with a subtle faded floral or vintage pattern, creates a cozy, cohesive base that reflects the warmth of the season without overpowering the senses. Add a few tactile layers with boucle ottomans, faux fur poufs, or even a woven pink-toned floor cushion for additional texture and charm. On the coffee table, let your centerpiece speak softly but intentionally. Fill a shallow wood or ceramic bowl with mini pink pumpkins, soft moss, dried hydrangeas, or preserved rose petals. A collection of taper candles in rose, amber, and taupe, grouped at varying heights in mismatched holders, glass, brass, or ceramic adds warmth and movement. Don't forget the power of scent. Display rose or vanilla-scented candles in ribbed glass jars, or use a reed diffuser in a delicate fall fragrance to awaken the senses. Lighting plays a crucial role in the ambience of any living space. For a pink fall aesthetic, opt for warm, romantic glows. Rose-tinted lampshades or soft white bulbs wrapped in amber-hued fairy lights can transform the mood instantly. Battery-operated candles in glass hurricanes or lanterns with blush accents can dot your mantle, shelves, or even corners of the room, creating layers of flickering light that feel both intimate and elegant. As for walls and decor, lean into art that reflects the season's mood. For more creative and unexpected seasonal decor ideas, subscribe now and stay inspired all through fall. In the kitchen and dining area, the heart of the home, pink fall decor introduces a whimsical yet refined balance of cozy comfort and understated charm. It's where everyday moments become special and where seasonal styling can subtly uplift the atmosphere without overwhelming functionality. Begin with the dining table, where layered place settings set the tone for warmth and welcome. Think soft blush chargers beneath creamy white or rose-tinted plates, paired with muted pink linen napkins delicately tied with twine or copper rings. Soft gold or rose gold cutlery adds an elegant metallic shimmer, while vintage-style glassware in rosy or amber tones reflects the golden light of autumn afternoons. These details don't have to match perfectly, the beauty lies in their soft variation and layered texture. Centerpieces play a vital role in capturing the season's essence. Instead of a towering arrangement, go for something low and inviting, a rustic ceramic bowl brimming with pink apples, soft moss, and heirloom gourds in creamy whites and pale pinks. Add dried roses, eucalyptus, or wheat for texture, or place small pumpkins and votives along a linen runner for an effortless tablescape. For a modern twist, cluster candle holders in varying heights with pink-hued tapers or display dried floral stems in matte blush-toned vases. The kitchen itself can carry these themes subtly yet stylishly. In every corner of the home, fall decor has the power to shift the energy of a space, to slow things down, to warm things up, and to invite a sense of comfort that lingers beyond the changing leaves. When we bring pink into the equation, something magical happens. The traditional palette of fall evolves, softens, and takes on a quieter tone. Instead of bold contrast, there's subtle harmony. Instead of loud statements, there's a sense of calm, thoughtful presence. Pink fall decor isn't about replacing the season, it's about reimagining it. It introduces a perspective that blends warmth with lightness, softness with sophistication. It takes the essence of fall, comfort, nostalgia, transition, and expresses it in a palette that feels unexpected yet entirely at home. This aesthetic speaks in whispers rather than shouts. It embraces detail, emotion, and personal style in a way that traditional autumn tones sometimes overlook. There's something deeply comforting in turning the familiar on its head, in discovering that fall doesn't always have to be orange, rust, or brown. Pink allows us to approach the season through a new lens. It encourages creativity, gentleness, and a touch of romance. It reminds us that home decorating is not about rules, but about resonance, about how we want our spaces to feel as the world outside shifts. Every hue carries meaning. Soft blush can signal peace and pause. Dusty rose can feel grounded and nostalgic. Mauve or berry adds depth without overpowering. Together, they craft a visual language that feels calm yet expressive, modern yet timeless. Pink fall decor isn't just about what's pretty, it's about how each tone makes you feel. It's about inviting beauty that soothes, that comforts, that inspires quiet joy. And within this approach, there's freedom. Freedom to layer, to mix, to experiment. Freedom to tell your own story. Whether your home is filled with classic architecture or modern lines, whether you're decorating a spacious home or a cozy apartment, this aesthetic adapts. It bends toward your preferences, enhances what you already love, and leaves room for personality to shine. Pink fall decor doesn't require perfection. It thrives in softness, in subtlety, in the graceful imperfections of lived-in beauty. It welcomes textures that are worn and warming, colors that age with elegance, and objects that feel as personal as they are beautiful. It leans into the cozy rhythms of the season, morning light pouring into a quiet room, blankets draped loosely across a chair, candles flickering through the early evenings. It's a mood, a mindset, a way to slow down and live with intention. Ultimately, what makes pink fall decor special isn't the color itself, it's the way it reshapes the season through emotion. It asks us to look beyond the traditional and see what fall can be when we design with the heart. It celebrates the intimate details, the small rituals, the beauty of creating a space that feels entirely our own. So as the weather cools and the days grow shorter, let your home become a reflection of your gentlest instincts. Let it bloom with warmth, imagination, and grace. Let fall arrive not just in the turning leaves, but in the atmosphere you create, in the softness you bring into your space, in the comfort you offer yourself and those you love.